In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a game pass in Please Donate. So the reason you'd want to make a game pass is so that you can actually accept donations on your stand in Please Donate, and this is really good and the best way to do it. You can do it other ways, but this is the best free way to do it. Now, before I get into this video, I want to say please watch this video the whole way through to the end to ensure that you get every step correct and that you don't miss anything out, because if you do, then it might not work and you might end up losing money or whatever. So let's get right into this. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is actually going over to a booth, and I'm going to unclaim this booth quickly. Oops. I'm going to unclaim this booth, but I'm going to go over to a new booth and I'm going to show you what it does. So here, so I've just claimed it, and it's going to tell me, if I go up here to this plus here, it's going to tell me what I need to do. So you need to set up a donation button for your stand. To create a donation button, you have to create a game pass using this link. So that's the first thing you need to do, is go and grab this link here. Now your link will be unique, and you want to copy this link here. Now what we can do, I can just press next, 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 continue, and we want to go into Google Chrome or something like that and open up that link. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've just opened up that link here, and you will need to sign into Roblox on your browser to ensure that you can open up this link. So as you can see here, you've got this. So you want to put the name of it, just put anything. So put please donate and put thank you for your dono. Now in the image, you can actually post a little image here if you would like to. I just posted this little thing here. You don't have to do that though. And then we can click create pass. So now that we've done that, we should have our pass here, and I'm going to click back onto it, and I'm going to go down to where it says sales. Now here is where you put the price in, but first you have to turn it on, and then you put a price in. So let's say 1 Robux, or you can do 10. I'd recommend doing a few different prices. I'm going to put this one for 5, and then we can press save changes. So now we should have that there, and there we go. I've got 2 in here now. So you can actually have a couple here if you want to have a different couple donation prices. From here, we're going to open up Roblox again, as you can see here. And I'm just going to go to my table, I'm going to go to my stand, and I'm going to press a little refresh button here, and boom, you can see that my buttons are now ready and working. So I've got a 10 and I've got a 5 ready to go. So people can actually come up here, they can click on it, and they can donate it. Now, that's basically what you need to do. There's a ton of different ways you can actually get people to donate. One of the best ways is actually to get these cool different things here. You can see, look how many people are trying to donate to this one, because you know it's popping because it's got this really cool little stand. But what you can do is you can just come around, see what's going on, see what's good, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.